Chapter 3, Lesson 2, Add Integers, Day 1, No Calculators Allowed. Integers like 2 and -2 are called opposites because they are the same distance from 0, but on opposite sides. Complete the graphic organizer about the opposites. So if here we have 3, the opposite of 3 would be how many to 0? That would be 1, 2, 3. So I have to go 3 more to the other side. So 1, 2, 3. So the opposite of 3 is -3. Two integers that are opposites are also called additive inverses. The additive inverse property states that the sum of any numbers and its additive inverse is 0. You can show that 2 plus a -2 on a number line. So if you have standing at 2 and you took 2 steps back, that would be 0. So 2 plus a -2 is 0. So when we look at the real world link down below us, is the temperature outside is -5 degrees. Name the temperature that would make the sum of two temperatures 0. So if I draw my number line, here's -5. I want to get to 0, -4, -3, -2, -1. How many do I have to count? Well, if I start here at -5, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since I went to the right, that's positive. So that would be 5. So add some integers with the same signs. We can do this by looking at the two numbers, add those together if they have the same sign. So since these both have the same sign, they're both negative, what is 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7 is 12. They both have a negative sign, so the negative sign is in front. Try letter B. -10 plus a -4. They both have negatives. So what is 10 plus 4? That's 14. And they're both negative, so my answer is negative. Same thing with letter C. -14 plus a -16. 14 plus 16 is 30. They're both negative, so there's a negative sign there. So try some on your own and show your thinking. Okay, so to do this, again, we're going to look at, they're both negative, so 6 plus 3 is 9. Negative, negative, my answer is negative. Same thing with number 2, -34 plus -21. 34 plus 21 is 55. Negative, negative, negative. So adding integers with different signs. Do these problems. So when I look at these, I think about a number line. Here's my number line. Here's 6. Now I'm going to add a -7, which means I'm going to take 7 steps backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so if we go backwards, count. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and -1.